What is up, YouTube? Welcome back again. It's your buddy Technoboy, and in this video, I'm going to unbox a very compact and wonderful thing for home entertainment. So this is a box packing. You can see pretty small in size. And guess what is this? This is a mini projector, you can see. And the nice thing is that this is not only just a projector. This is a smart Android projector. So this is from brand Portronics. As you know, the Portronics is a very reputed brand right now, and they were making mobile accessories and Bluetooth headset and all. And they also made soundbars too. And the nice thing is that they made this one, this projector, so you can use it like anywhere. That's a very nice thing to do. And I'm going to tell you the price. This is very budget friendly projector. So that's how it looks. And that's the model number Beam 440 Smart Android Projector. And that's the lumens, 2000 lumens. That's the brightness. And another nice thing is that it's a 720p HD. So that's the native resolution 720p, and it supports 1080p, of course. But the native resolution is 720p, so you get very clear, good, sharp images. So that's it. And here on this side, you can see some specs are there. OTT platform access like Netflix, Prime Video, Hotstar, and more. 2000 lumens, brightness 16:9 aspect ratio, 3-watt rich speaker, wide compatibility, versatile connectivity, wireless screen mirroring, and all 720p HD resolution. So that's it. And on this side, the manufacturing details are there. And here the MRP is 19,999, which is pretty huge, but that's not the price, of course. As I told you, this is a very budget-friendly projector, so I'm going to tell you the price later. And here you get 1 year of warranty, brand warranty. To get the warranty, you need to register your product to their website. The QR code is right there. So without wasting time, let's unboxing and check the projector. Get this, and that's the projector itself, and nothing else in the box. It's empty. So let's check out the accessories first. That's the power cord, AC power cord, and that's a fine little remote control, and that's the user manual. Now now let's open the projector. Alright, that's it. That's beautiful, right? And here you can see that's the base, that's the stand, and at the bottom of the stand there is a screw. You can mount it on a tripod or anything like that, but actually you don't need to mount it because that's the stand, and you can angle it just like that. You can put it in any angle, 180-degree angle, anywhere, just like that. So that's very wonderful thing. And here you can see that's the Portronics branding right there. And at the top, that wheel is to adjust the focus. And at the front side, let's remove this plastic cover. That's the lens itself, and some vent is there. Let's check out the back. That's the back side. That's the outlet vent, I guess. That's the power socket. That's the IR sensor. That's the USB socket, and that's the headphone socket. HDMI. That's the on-off button. That's all. And pretty light in weight, and it's like that. So now let's turn this thing on and check out the picture, of course. So this thing is connected now, and let's check out the picture. How big is this? So the distance would be from the wall like 6 feet, approx. And now let's check out the picture size. It's like 100 inch. And just because this thing is like a bit of not at the middle of that screen, so the screen is like some kind of not properly fitted. But you can see everything is so clear and bright enough too. So one light is on inside the room, but still can see everything. So now let's play the YouTube. Okay, now let's check some Dolby trailers. So here's in the picture, and this picture size is like much bigger for this projector. It's like almost 110 inch, which is huge for this kind of projector. But up to 80 inch, you'll get much clearer picture. And also, this thing is like sitting here in the angle like that. So that's why the picture is not uh, quite clear on all the sides. But if you keep it straight to the wall and parallel to the wall, then this will give you a very clear picture. And another nice thing is that when you're projecting an image to upward angle to the wall, the picture displays is like this. But this thing has auto adjust aligning angle like that. So when you put it like upwards, the picture first shows like this, and then it automatically changes to this like that. So that's another wonderful thing for this projector. And now let me show you another wonderful thing of this projector. This thing has Bluetooth, and this is my Bluetooth speaker right there. And now let's play the song again. Now you heard the sound that was coming from this speaker, which is connected to this projector using the Bluetooth. No wire is there like that. So for this projector, you just need one wire to connect this thing to the power outlet, and that's it. When you are watching like news or small things, for that you don't need much bigger sound. Then you can use a projector speaker. Also, it's very clear and loud enough. I cannot say it's much louder because it's a small speaker, but it's loud enough. But when you're watching kind of movies or anything better, you can connect a speaker like this. It's totally wireless, and you can connect any home theater with a Bluetooth in it. So that's a very wonderful thing. And if you connect old kind of speakers or amplifier, there is a headphone socket right there, so you can connect wire with that. But if you want it totally wireless, then you can connect any Bluetooth home theater to it, and you get the sound from that and the bigger picture from this one. So that's a very wonderful thing, and I like it. And now let me tell you the price. This was like 6,799 on Amazon. Can you believe that? The price 6,799. But I got extra discount of 1,000 on my credit card. So we'll get some kind of offers on different banks' credit cards. So we'll get this thing within 6,000 on Amazon. So that's a very wonderful deal. And I definitely recommend this thing, even for your kids watching the cartoons and all on YouTube like that. You can use this thing. So that's it. That was unboxing and testing video of this Portronics portable HD projector. Hope you're going to like the video. If you like it, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel and share this video with all your friends. So stay tuned for more videos like this. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.